Alright. So I don't know if anyone's ever told you, but you have nice brown eyes, but unfortunately we're gonna have to put a helmet over it. Do you know how to put on a helmet? Okay. Hold your hair up.
Wait, up?
Yeah, it's in.
Okay. Ow.
Sit towards me. Okay, sit down. Go up on the motorcycle. Which knee was it? This knee?
This.
Okay. I'm really full.
Still? And you wanted boba.
Here, we're gonna put this
Really?
just so you don't hurt your knee again. Okay?
I'm pretty sure it'll be fine.
This is to stabilize your knee.
Oh my god, okay. I feel like I'm like super injured, but alright.
You are. In my eyes, you are. Does that feel okay?
Mhm.
Alright, let me see your hands. You trust me?
Yeah.
You're like a little baby.
Why?
Alright.
Damn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, our safe word is pineapple. Okay? It's pineapple.
Was it banana?
Is that comfortable?
Yeah.
Alright, one more thing. So I'm gonna need you to carry this.
Okay. You make me feel so injured though.
You look badass, girl.
But shit.
Is that a birthmark?
Huh? Yeah.
Is that a tattoo?
Yes.
Alright, do you know how to get on here? Do you want to drive?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Just kidding, no.
Do you know how to get on?
The way I did?
Yeah, but that's how I get on.
Okay, then
you
no,
know how
I don't.
you get on?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay.
You act as if I've ever had a passenger like time here.
Alright, let me double check this is okay. I just want to make sure, girl. You're making me really nervous, really.
Why?
Alright, so what you're gonna do when you sit up here, like my butt is gonna be here, right? My waist, you need to hold on to my waist
Okay.
with your thighs.
Okay.
Or else, when I stop, you're gonna go forward and you're gonna like penetrate me. Okay, I don't want that.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I promise. I
I
promise.
thought it'll be fun. We'll try new things. You're making it so hard. God damn.
Alright, hold up. Good?
Yep.
Pineapple, pineapple.
Sorry. my knees.
You comfy?
Not really.
No, are you feel safe?
A little bit.
Chrissy, I don't want you. Chrissy, stop.
I'll like cling on to you. How about that?
I'm gonna go super fast.
Really?
Chrissy, don't worry.
Okay.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
I
The
don't know.
bike
Last
will.
time it didn't work out that well. I'm still injured from the last time.
Yo, don't say that on the camera.
I'm sorry.
No one knows that. You trust me, right?
Yep.
What's our safe word?
Banana. Pineapple.
You want me to go around the block real quick?
Yeah, actually, test drive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That'd be good.
Genius.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool.
You're making me scared.
Why? You're the one overthinking it.
Ready? You good? You okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so you know how the bike is leaning?
Uh-huh.
Don't lean with it.
Oh, sorry.
No, I'm just telling you.
Okay.
I'm gonna pop into second gear.
Huh?
I'm gonna pop into second gear.
Okay. What does that mean?
Yeah, hold on.
Okay. Oh. Oh, shit.
See, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you
Maybe
sure?
one more around the block.
Look, cross your arms. Cross your
Huh?
arms like this on the tank.
Huh?
Like that.
Okay.
Are you ready? I actually know Chrissy since we were in elementary. Okay, you ready?
I think so.
The first time we saw each other, she actually fell. I feel so bad for her.
Okay, damn.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do I look as cool as them?
Hmm?
Do I look as cool as them?
You're alright.
Or do I look cooler?
I said you're alright.
Have you seen that? The Raider? The Raider.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that was there. Oh, I've been here.
Stop! Stop!
I swear.
I'll bring you back home then.
Huh?
I'm gonna bring you back home.
No, it's a nice place.
Are you hot?
A little.
You want me to go faster?
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh.
So how was it?
It was good.
Were you not comfortable?
A little bit. I was not comfortable. I was like trying not to like push in more.
Oh, like here?
Yeah, like I kept on like when you stopped, I would
Yeah.
move forward.
That's what I was talking about. Are you
That's fine
sweating?
though. Huh?
Are you sweating?
A little bit.
Alright. Wait, there's one more thing. So we gotta take pictures of each other. So sit on my bike real quick. Put the visor down because you look better with it.
You know what I totally forgot?
Huh.
My mask.
Oh, we're not going anywhere.
Okay, good. A little bit more badass. Okay.
Oh shit! I'm tired.
Wait, you want to know?
Oh yeah, super badass. Oh shit, my fault.
Watch me run out of all the right things to say, still finding reasons to stay with you. Give you a call because I needed a ride and never thought I'd be with you in your passenger side. And now we're driving downtown. Baby, you make me feel young, like I just turned 21, yeah.
Oh, somebody.
I mean, I like that, but I just get it.
Are you still not comfortable?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, you can get off.
Let me just walk like right here.
You're doing pretty good.
Well, I don't know. I think you're just saying that though.
No, you're doing pretty well.
Oh, wait.
For a beginner. How would you rate your riding experience?
I said 4.5. I don't want you to have too much of a big head.
Oh, okay. That's fair.